Alright, y'all. So today I'm going to show you how you can replace some lower ball joints on your truck. Pretty similar to almost every other Toyota. But basically I'm going to show you how you can replace that part with simple tools. This is all I've used to replace the lower ball joint. All you need is a standard socket set and maybe like a 21 or a 22. A hammer doesn't need to be this type of hammer. It could be any hammer, and you don't really need impact tools. But I had this 3/8 snap-on electric tool that I use. Make it convenient, but you don't need it. Alright, so what we have to do is loosen up the lug nuts to get the tire out. After we do that, we're going to lift up the vehicle and begin working on removing the lower ball joints. One of the beauties of working mobile is that you have to work extra hard. So, what we're gonna be replacing today is these lower ball joints. The truck is a 97 Tacoma rear-wheel drive. It's been lowered by doing a ball joint flip. That's what it's called. Where you basically take the ball joint from, it should be down here, and you put it up here. Same with the top one. And that basically gives you like a 3-inch drop. I did all the work myself. If anybody wants to know how to do it, just shoot me a message, or I'll see if I make another video another time. But I want to get these tires removed so that I can keep going. So there's the beautiful ball joint, lower ball joint. It's connected to the outer tie rod. Basically what's happening is that ball joint right there has stretched out to the point that if I keep on driving it, it's gonna fall out. It's happened to me before. It's not something pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna get that replacing, and we're gonna do one side and then we're gonna do the other one. First thing that we have to do is remove this cotter pin. I always wear gloves for safety. So once the cotter pin is out, I'm gonna remove this nut, loosen it up. Don't remove it all the way. It's a 22. Move it righty tighty, lefty loosey. Remove it just enough. Loosen it up just enough so it can be loose, but still have some threads in it. At the same time, we're going to remove this cotter pin and this nut. So we're gonna remove 2 nuts that are holding the lower ball joint. Is this one, and there's one over here. We're also gonna loosen up this one for the sway for the tie rod, the outer tie rod, and that's basically it, guys. We get all that loose. So, always keep the parts together, or close to each other. This here's 18, and we're loosening it just enough. And also the top one, the one's holding the lower ball joint. That's 17. We'll go ahead and put an extension on that to make sure. Ooh. Oh, wow, it's still on, real. That's your money. So it's easy way to go things. And then there's always here. Since we're not doing the car route. Whoa. No, got that. Is that under what? Almost like, thank you. Let's use some repo. Try to keep this on as much as I can. Yeah. Now, what I need here is a little bit more leverage. So, I'm going to take this frame back here from the jack. Find a way to get on here and use that leverage to break it loose. Ahí se empieza. Isn't that just good? Wait a minute. What's going on here? Beautiful. Beautiful. This is just wonderful. This is what we do. Now you do the impact of what it does. Okay guys, so before I do that, pull it up. I'm going to take this here lovely hammer, and I'm going to tap the lower volumes so it can pop out. So, give it a little lovely tap. Something like that. Same with this one. So you can see the lower ball joint basically goes inside these two holes for the spindle. Is right on top. Last thing I gotta do is just finish loosening this up and remove it. And there we have it, y'all. The lower ball joint. So basically, I don't know if you can hear it, but basically this part right here starts coming out from time. This is fixed, so this here stretches out. It could be because I have a drop. I don't really know, but basically the inside, after it's dried, no lubrication, begins to deteriorate and break apart. So here we are. This is not a sponsored video. We're gonna put some moose lower ball joints in here. Essentially, they are to be better than what I had, which I had some Master Pro, I believe, from O'Reilly's. They lasted me about 7-8 months, maybe even less. I do drive a lot because I do transportation. I basically do deliveries. Clutch City Enterprise, check me out. ClutchCityEnterprise.com. If anybody needs any help with any deliveries around the city of Houston. The beautiful thing about this is that it comes with brand new bolts and nuts, cotter pin, and also a Zerk fitting that goes on top, which essentially helps us keep this lower ball joint lubricated by shooting grease up in here and filling it up with it. They come pre-greased, but just enough to get it rolling. However, you have to complete the greasing. Alright y'all, so here we are. Right side lower ball joint ready to be installed. These things are to guide it when going in. Let's get this starting, the installing process. Go. This side will be control. Maybe I'll him out. I'll make sure everything's better than I was right. Mm-hmm. I know, yeah. Can see that. So, start the process, time up on both. So you can see my camera having a bit of a hard time. Okay. Don't come down, I'm curious. I don't know. First. Just now I'm faced with a bigger problem. Now the problem that I'm having is that this ball joint doesn't want to go all the way down, and I've already basically put it on. Just need to raise up this lower control arm. For that I'm gonna have to do something real sketchy. Told you that would be sketchy. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up as best as we can. Okay, last things, the most important thing is to make sure that everything is tied up good, properly. All the pins are in there. Every nut and bolt is good. Last thing, secure the wheel. We'll put it down and we got it.